the day you file, I want you to give me a call and have a consult. Whenever the financial affidavits are done, the first round of it, immediately. Now, why do I say that? I want to know what the issues are up front of time so I can see if there's anything I can do to mitigate it. I want to tell you, well, number one, I don't want to be, hey, Josh, we got trial in 2 weeks. It takes a long time to put this stuff together, especially in a litigated setting
No pressure,
where
Josh. No
the,
pressure.
well, yeah, exactly. In a litigated setting where the stakes are higher, the mistakes have a big spotlight on them, the risk is there. You know, you're asking me, just like a judge has to sign their name, I got my name out there too. And so being able to prepare, being able to know what to prepare for up front. But why immediately? Let's see what the issues are. If you don't know what the financial issues are because you don't have anything into it, then wait till you get the financial affidavits and you go, this doesn't make sense. Have that consult. Does it make sense? And ask your questions right from the get-go. I may look at the financial affidavits and go, you don't need me for income. You need to hire me for evaluation. And that has happened. Or I'll say to somebody, you don't need to hire me for evaluation. You need to hire me for a passive versus active appreciation analysis or a coverture analysis, right? There's all these splitting of marital and non-marital that I do in that, right? And I can tell you that up front. And so I think what we can tell you, and I have no problem getting on the phone and saying, you don't need to hire me, right? Like I'm Kaneahora, God willing, I'm lucky in that respect, but I also think I'm lucky because I give people good sound advice. I tell attorneys, there's a lot of attorneys who I work with closely. They'll get me on the phone just to, their client is adamant about something.
All right.
I'll get on the phone and we'll walk them through that. But I'm looking for issues. When someone comes to me, what is the issue? How big of an issue is it? What can we do to move to mitigate, correct the issue? Those are the questions I ask myself. And then once I know those, what do I think it's going to cost? Is the juice worth the squeeze?
All right. That's understandable. Let me ask you, this, because you touched on business valuations. And I know that when we were in the review course, they gave you a shout out this year for your work on business valuations and medical practices. So what's your approach to valuing a closely held business or professional practice during a divorce?